guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be just a little bit different because I'm doing intros now, I guess. I'm going to be cleaning. I have a lot to clean up. There's stuff everywhere. I've been neglecting my house and being a lazy mess. But I'm going to show you guys the mess I have to tackle, and we're going to try to get it done tonight. So this is like the worst spot because there's crumbs everywhere. Because my kids decided to eat crackers in here and leave me the mess. So we're going to get started in this area and then move on doing something else. So I'm always in my robe, if you didn't know. I have shorts on. I have clothes on underneath, always. Oh no! I turned the TV off and I meant to put on Pandora so I can listen to some music while I clean. Whoopsie. I don't wanna live that way. Reading into every word you say. You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know. You need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so rough. Thank you.